Hello, Adam Kopeć, Excel lover from Poland. When we want to create a star rating in Excel, there is at least one possible solution. We want to use stars from UNICHARs, Unicodes, and to create them in Excel, we can use UNICHAR function and proper Unicode. In older version of Excel, copying those stars from internet should also work. We just have to have signs we want to repeat, and we already have number rating, and the bigger number is 5 and the lower number is 0. So we want to create rating just as follows. So we have a proper formula already, but we want to create her again and understand her better. So we are starting with rept function, repeat function. We just give her text string we want to repeat, F4 to lock it, then number of times we want to repeat, and the number of times is just from rating. So just like that we can repeat black stars, but in our assumption we decide that we always want to have 5 stars. So if the rating is lower than 5, we have to add some white stars. It's simple, we just have to combine one rept function with another rept function, and we can just combine them with ampersand, then rept, and this time we are repeating white star, F4 to lock it, comma, and this time the number of times is 5 minus rating. And the rept function has a curious property that when we tell her to rept something 0 times, she won't repeat anything, so she will return empty text string. So in case of 5-star rating, we have just 5 black stars. And it's important to add that Excel in most situations empty cell treats like cell with a 0. We have to remember about this.